In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly set up the CIM 1000 cartridge for use. First thing you're going to do is open up the foil pack that the cartridge comes in, pull the cartridge out, throw the foil away. You're going to want to unscrew the cap, toss the disc. You'll want to toss the nose plugs. This is a static mixer. You need to use these static mixers in order to get a proper mix with the cartridge. I did cut down the tip, so you want to cut the tip off to its largest opening, and you can do that with a knife, whatever you have available. Put the static mixer on the cartridge, drop the nut on, screw it down tight, and here is the most important step. Load the cartridge in the gun and keep the static mixer pointed up at all times as you're loading it. Get the plunger seated, keep it pointed upright, start to pull the trigger to load the static mixer. And the reason you want to keep this upright is there is air inside this cartridge, and that's the first thing you want to purge out so that there's no air left in these tubes. Once the cartridge is loaded, you do want to squeeze out the first couple of shots into the trash and just get rid of those first 6 to 12 inches of material. And again, the reason you want to do that is because side A and side B do not enter this tube at exactly the same moment. You get a little bit of lead, a little bit of lag from one side to the other, so you are a little bit off ratio at the very start, and that's why you dispose of that first 6 to 12 inches. Now that the cartridge is loaded, static mixer's full, air's purged out, we've disposed of the first few inches, it's ready to use. And now you can point this sideways, upside down, right side up, and you can dispense material out of your cartridge.